Introducing the all-new T-Rex3 GPS smartwatch, the ultimate outdoor smartwatch for 2025, crafted for adventure, packed with precision. With a stunning 1.43-inch AMOLED display and 466 by 466 resolution, every detail is ultra-crisp, even in the brightest sunlight. Built-in high-precision Beidou satellite GPS, because real explorers never lose their way. Answer calls directly with Bluetooth 5.3, loud, clear, and hands-free. Stay healthy on every adventure. Track your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and even blood pressure. 24/7. Worried about rain or water? No problem. 5 ATM waterproof means you're covered, rain or shine. With 170+ sport modes, conquer every workout, every goal, every terrain. And with a massive battery life of up to 15 days, the T-Rex3 is always ready for your next adventure. Military-grade toughness. Unstoppable performance. The T-Rex3 GPS smartwatch is not just smart. It's built for the bold. Get yours now for only $81.82. That's 50% off the original price. Click the link in the description below and grab yours today.